What's up everybody? So I'm going to show you the custom RTX 380 keycap. So I ordered it on Amazon, so let's get into it. So let's gonna do the tiniest unboxing. So okay, I'm gonna open it like this. Boom, this is how it looks like. Yeah, the Mini Rtx 380 keycap I ordered on Amazon, so I'm gonna put it on my keyboard right now. Well guys, I'm gonna get this over here. So this is how it looks, the Mini Rtx 380 keycap, the custom one. So I'm gonna put it over here in the shift, the right shift. So we're gonna remove the right shift right now. So yeah, and then press it like hard as you can. Boom, this is how it looks like, the tiny. Boom, this is how it looks like, the tiny RTX 380. If you want more videos, please follow me on TikTok, and I will see you in the next video guys. So bye.